Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session today we will learn how to give a permission for accessing of folders and files from the Apache web server. Earlier session we have seen that how to install Apache web server in Linux operating system server. This session we will check what are the ways to restrict the folders and files in Apache web server. Let's start the session here. For that we need to create a directory in HTML folder. Here it is a Linux demo file only, mkdir. I am creating like a share or any name of the folder you can give there, and for that folder we'll create restrictions and all the things. Okay, let's create a directory name. It's a share. For this folder authorized users only, I am preparing that restriction for this. For the authorized persons only can be accessible this for this folder and files within this on Apache web server. Okay, now see here. For this we need to add an index at where Apache conf file. Go to that file, etc httpd conf dot conf, enter. Control plus shift plus G to come to end. Now here directory index, where the path is we have created a folder, we need to specify here where www html, name of the folder, share, and specify close this one, and options. These are the case sensitive, you have to clearly type. We have to check many times. Indexes, order, hello, Dini, hello from all. Close the directory. Okay, now you save and exit, restart the service, and httpd service. Just a second, it's just showing that failed. Yep, see here on this file I have given a directory index. It's only for directory. Save it and restart the HTTP server, and status is active, running. Fine. Now we will see here we have configured the directory and given some path of directory accessing of the services and all. We are creating folders and files on a folder of share. Change the directory here, nothing is there. Touch 22 asdf.mp4. Some examples, whatever it you can give. js.flv file and test.rar file is there. These are the files I am prepared for on the folder of share. Okay, now go to the web server page, reload it and check whether these files are appearing over there or not. See, this is the page and share, press enter. See, index of share 22a, these are the files what we have created right now. Right, we have a successfully accessed directory. Now is a part of that we need to implement the security mechanism successfully for that particular folder. Okay, now let's see here. Go to the configuration file once again, go to end. Now allow from all is here. From there we need to continue to write a single line. Allow override auth config, config, auth config. Save it, save and exit. Okay, that we have to write it in the directory, don't forget about it. I'll show you. See here only. Okay, quit. Now what I am doing here, I am creating .hta access file. In the sense, this is the file for hiddenly, it won't be visible for anyone. Hence I am creating within that folder .hta access, ht access, ht access file. See here, on file we need to write something which is an important. Here insert mode auth name, that is auth name, anything you can give. I'm giving secure website secure web store. I'm giving the name as secure web store and auth type, the type of authentication I'm telling that basic, and auth user file, auth user file, that is etc. Let me clarify the things. The etc http://htpass htpass and required user. That's it. Write and quit. Save it. Save the file with a hidden file where it has. Hence I am taken as a dot before the file name. vi space .ht access. Save it, and for the accessing purpose, now if you are trying to access this, it may ask you, if I am applying the credentials and all, it will ask you the user credentials. For that user credentials separately I am creating one user specially for Apache web server. Okay, see here, user add Linux demo is my username. Password of that Linux demo, I'm entering simple password, retype new password, anything you can give here. I'm simply giving abc at 123. Password authentication and tokens and all applicable successfully. If it is in a web server you are using, if it is in a production, real-time production, you have to give in a specify a strong password. I think you may aware of that strong password, the basic that algorithm applications, applicable password notation. Okay, now you have to run a command htpasswd -c, that file what we have created, etc httpd and htpass and mapping with the user of Linux demo. Enter it. New password it is asking to access for Apache web server. You have to give the same password or you can give another password. This is also very important, adding the password for user Linux demo. Okay, now we have assigned we have created a user by creating the password and assigned to that particular .ht file, and now that user is mapped for web server, Apache web server. Now I am restarting the service that httpd restart. Enter. It will restart the services. Yes, it's completed. If you want, you can check the status. Yes, it's activated and running. Now here reload the same thing. You can enter the path or reload. Press enter. It will ask the credentials to access these files. Earlier it is accessible, now it's not accessible. My username is Linux demo and password is ab728123. Click OK. Now see, you can access your password on all your devices. Saying something. I'm saying now it can be accessible. Okay, that's how we can configure and maintain our Linux Apache web server credentials and users and all. We can assign such a users, there only the persons only can able to access such a files from our Apache web server in Linux 7. Such a wonderful mechanisms and all the configurations are available in Linux flavor servers and operating systems and all. The guys, those who are entering into the administration in Linux and those who are freshers and experienced and seniors, please go through the step by step to create an Apache web server successfully with the live demonstration what I have presented right now to you. I hope you better understand all these session. Please subscribe, like, share and comment any of your views regarding this. For more videos you will have one by one, like these real-time scenarios and practical examples with along all. And also Harisystems will give you real-time live tutorials, trainings and supports to you if any somewhere else if you are stuck and dragging something, and clearly will give you an explanations and all. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.